Morning, and here's the situation ngayon dito sa airport at 10:43 and di naman siya ganun ka-crowded. Heading for Xiamen, China. So, on this side, medyo maraming tao nag-check-in. Pero hindi naman siya lahat, punong-puno. Boarding time and going to fly soon in a few minutes. And 1:50 sabi, ito, here. Tayo sa gate 7, kaya malapit tayo. Makikita mo yan. Hey, first stop after arriving the city. Oh, kakain muna tayo. Here, look at the king crab. Laki. And we're back here in Hampton by Hilton. So, this is a nice hotel. Maganda siya. We stayed here in 2024, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. And okay siya. Masarap yung breakfast niya. Miss ko nga yung breakfast niya. Here they have free drinks. So in case yan, gusto nyo ng cookies. They also have mango juice, hot water as well, and coffee. So they have Americano, espresso, coffee, I don't know what. Okay. So they also have power bank for rent. Sabi niya fast charging daw, 80% daw. So here, meron tayong parang meeting room. And ayan, meron din siya computer. Desktop, may printer. So maybe may bayad siya. Just go to the front desk. Okay, so meron silang binibenta ditong mga jade. And be careful not to touch. Baka ma-break nyo at mahal siya. 1,390. So here's our room for tonight and the next few days. Very spacious room. One king bed. And my table, chairs. So may para siyang tea na set kung gusto mo yan. Feeling Chinese na tayo. Meron tayong office desk for working kung kailangan mo mag-work. Here's the window view. Ganda. Check natin to tomorrow morning. Nagre-reflect ngayon. The toilet is big. Malaking mirror. Meron din mini mirror with and hiwalay ang kanyang toilet bowl and shower area. Sa 25th floor to check the laundry. So, nandito rin yung guest fitness center. So, nandito yung gym nila kung gusto nyo mag-workout. May free water bottle, towel. So, o nga pala, here, I noticed na yung saksakan niya. Kompleto na. So, pwede na yung saksakan natin dyan. Although, if you want, marami ka pang isasaksak, no? Better to bring yung adapter. piano, pwede din dito. Pero may USB din siya dito. So, kaya lang, baka medyo mabagal yan mag-charge. Dala ka na lang ng adapter para mas marami kang ma-charge. Another thing na I-notice, no, yung slippers nila, magkaiba ng color. One is dark gray and the other one is light gray. So, previously, ito yung slippers na nakuha namin. One blue and another one is red. So, very efficient. Di kayo magkakapalitan. Good morning. Here's the view from the window. Ganda, diba? Here, sakay kami ng elevator on the other side and may ibang view na makikita nyo dito maaraw lang. So, we're heading for breakfast and ito, 45 yen, 7 to 10. Going to the laundry room. And nandun siya sa 25th floor. Nag-wash kasi kami kanina. Tapos na siya mag-wash. Ta-transfer na natin siya sa dryer. So, you also need to bring your key card para makarating ka sa 25th floor. So, dito, yung washing, as yung dryer, let's transfer them, taas. Hi, good morning. After breakfast today, here we are in shoe exhibit. And ito, kita mo dito, 361 degrees. Shoes, akala ko sa Shopee lang makikita, pero ito, here, kita ko na siya ng live. Ito, may Anta. So, exhibit sila for 4 days daw. From April 19 to 22. So, dami rin dito mga workout machines, so mga treadmill like that. Hindi ko na alam anong tawag sa iba, pero ayan, makita mo naman. Dahil pa iba't ibang klaseng shoes. Different kinds of technology na masasabi mong China is living in 2050. natin dito sa mall. Kakain lang muna kami ng lunch, late lunch. Uniqlo sa baba. Uniqlo. And the rest, I don't know what brand. Kanina nakita ko yung Dairy Queen. And ayan, dyan sa tapat meron yung Koi. Pretty interior. Medyo mainit din dito sa loob ng mall niya. Parang same sa atin ngayon. Mainit din. Dito tayo ngayon, parang street food siya pero nasa indoor kasi umuulan. On our third night here, we got a new freebie. So, for kids, may slippers na sila and toothbrush and toothpaste. Bigay sila additional freebie. Good morning. Today, we're going to the famous ancestral home. So, andito na tayo. Finally, we reach here. Later, makikita nyo yung mga bahay-bahay. Ancestral home siya na inayos na nila. So, ngayon, ang ganda na niya. O, yan yung map inside. That's what you can see. Medyo malaki siya, oh. So, we're going to ride this sightseeing car. So, for RMB per person. Merong mga drinks dito, restaurant. So, ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ayan, may mga food dyan. Kung nagutom kayo, pwede kayo kumain. can buy yung stamp pads. And then there, you're going to stamp. So, ito. We're going to insert same yung last time. Nandun tayo sa Nagoya. So, of course, hindi mawawala. Merong temple inside if you want to be blessed. And yan, yung mga snacks, drinks. And more restaurant there. They have ice cream here. So, pwede kayo mag-rent ng clothes for photo shooting. So, yan. Ito yun, pupunta natin. Lapit na tayo ngayon dyan. This one. Ayan. At ito na nga siya. So, just beside the big comfort room. Yes, malinis dyan. Napunta na namin yan. And here, yan. Makikita nyo may nagpo-photoshoot. So, famous spot siya. Kasi nga, sikat daw siya. This ancestral house. So, pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Chento, make sure to visit this Ulin Traditional Village. So, meron siyang, I think may parang performance. Kung gusto nyo abutan yan, check this time slot. May bayad pala yata siya, 100 yen per person. So, pasukin natin yung house so you can see what's inside. So, some of the parts they preserve para syempre yung original look niya still there. Pero they renovated it para naman maayos. So, this is one bedroom and ayan, makita nyo may bed pa dito. And makita nyo na-preserve nila yung cabinet. So, yan, matibay talaga. Pagka yung mga sinaunang panahon. So, can you imagine sleeping here? Parang nakakatakot, no? Pero, yun nga, ganito yung room. Before, and ayan, another room. Ayan, a bed also. So, ito yung history of some pictures about the people, no, who live here in this ancestral home. So, this is like pagawaan to ng aluminum na lutuan. It's in the Philippines, not here. So, yan. Yung mga, sila yun, ayan. This is the old house. So, bago nila ni-renovate this one. And here are some of the pictures na yeah. So here's another ancestral house. Oh, exhibition center. 9 to 5:30. So here, kung nagko-collect ka ng stamp, pwede ka rin mag-stamp dito.
Dati sabi ni Papa, mga bahay-bahay pa kayo dito.
Ito ay pagawaan ng mga soy sauce. Guys, dito balik na tayo sa end. Pero ito, gusto ko lang highlight yung ang ganda. Looks like lavender. Not really sure. Tama ba? Comment nyo nga kung ano yung bulaklak na ito. Not really sure if this is lavender kasi first time ko lang nakakita niyan. So pretty. Look at that one. Ganda, di ba? So ano, lavender nga ba yan? Hula ko lang. So, we had a late lunch. So, ngayon kasi is 3:30 na katapos lang namin kumain ng late lunch dyan sa tapat lang ng Kayan Temple, which is where we are right now. So, eto, ayan. So, sa umpisa, sa harap nito, before that, explain ko lang yung food namin. Kumain kaming maatsang, which is a sticky rice. Famous yan, and masarap siya. So, if hindi ka pa nakapag-try niyan, you should try it out. Nasa tapat lang yan ng Cayenne. Right now, we are in Cayenne Temple and itong famous na pagoda. Okay, so yan. Yan. Yan ang tinitingnan dito ng mga tao. Sa harap yan, maraming tour guide na nag-aalok. So yan. Tulad nito, i-explain niya yung history about that. Though, syempre, kung di ka naman Chinese, di mo naman maintindihan. For a small fee, you pay the tour guide and he tells you stories also about this pagoda. So here, meron tayong mga stores, food, street food, souvenir shop of course. So this street is a long stretch and yan, marami-rami kang masashop niyan. Maraming pwedeng i-shop. We went back sa hotel room to rest for a bit and we're going to eat dinner now dyan sa tabing restaurant. Sa restaurant ng hotel. So, paglabas mo, turn right. So, makikita mo yung restaurant dyan. Isa lang naman yan. So, I doubt na maliligaw ka. On the second floor, nandito yung restaurant. So, kain tayo here. So, dito, naka-display siya yung mga food and may prices na siya. So, makikita mo yan. 218 yuan. So, ito yun. Order na yan. So, and so on. So, like yan, ganyan. 119. Yeah, the food here is good. Meron siyang cauliflower. Hello, we're here today sa, what do we call this one? It's like the new Providence Mart. And it's like a grocery. Oh, not like a grocery. Grocery talaga siya. So, ayan no. Tingnan mo, grabe. Ang dami niyang durian. Oh, is this durian? Yeah? Yung price, 19.9 for half a kilo. 500 grams. Okay. Yung typical grocery naman natin. And, oh, look at the fruits. Strawberry. Laki ng strawberry. It's 36.54. Ilan to? Half a kilo na to. 522 grams. Meron din siyang cherries, dragon fruit, grapes. We have ang liliit ng mangga. Ibang variant. Broccoli, sitaw, sweet pea, different kinds of peas. Oh, laki na to ah. Oh, this is the cauliflower na masarap siya, kakaiba. Iba siya sa usual na cauliflower natin sa Philippines. Pero ito, meron din siya yung typical na cauliflower katulad sa kinakain natin. Ito masarap to. So, kung mag-grocery kayo, kunwari nag-Airbnb kayo, yan. Check nyo yan. Masarap yan. Ay, grabe, laki. Ah, laki. Sibuyas. Let's check the different vegetable. Look at the eggplant. Oh my gosh, ang laki. The carrots are big as well. Hindi naman ganyan kalaki yung atin. And, ampalaya. It says white daw na ampalaya. It is white. Kakaiba. Here, yan, silang typical na veggies natin. So, here they also have this, I don't know what veggie this is. Oh, parang garlic chives to ah. Yung typical na nakikita natin sa mga grocery, meron din. Mga Asian aisle. So, I think, siguro, mas mura dito compared doon sa Manila. Herbs. Klaseng herbs, like noodles also, they have. Oh, look at this one. Like, para siyang, ano ba ito? It says, parang rice vermicelli. Something, mukhang nylon. Ayan, daming klaseng noodles dito. Kabila, punta natin. Ah, fungus, different kinds of fungus. Mga mushroom yan, lahi ng mushroom. Mura yung ano niya.
Pwede kaya dalawa lang.
Different kinds of balls. Ay, ito yung gusto ko. Gusto ko yung sesame ball. Nakakita kayong ganyan, no? Sa mga street food. Try nyo yan. Ang sarap niya. Mas gusto ko siya, para siyang peanut ball. Pero ito, black sesame yun nasa loob niya. Ang sarap talaga niya. The eggs. 24.9. Isang case. So, 30 pieces naman na siya. Meron siyang salted egg here. Meron din syempre century egg. Akin ng egg. Look at the size of the egg. So big. Ay, laki. Magkano to? 6.8? mukha. So let's try this one, like kuchay. So if you're familiar with kuchay dumpling, so ito yun. So ito, instead of dumpling, this is a pancake, pero meron siyang iba-ibang flavor sa loob. Meron may pork, and veggie, and the other one may beef. This one, oh, it's like black sesame. It's sesame. And buchi. So big, the buchi. May size ng buchi. Yung laki. But inside, wala daw laman. So, iniinit nila ngayon. Pinapainit namin para mas masarap. Mainit. Init. Oh, meron din sila ditong mga maki. No? Ready-made. And looks so delicious. Got my parang hotok siya. But this is a Chinese style pancake. So with kuchay. So one is round and one is square. We don't know which one's yummier. Different kinds of bread. Oh, amazing. This is like an egg tart on top. Below with like cutlet, is it? After buying stuff, andito tayo. Umakit tayo sa mall. So, yan. May mga milk tea, fruit juices. Kung nauhaw kayo, akit lang kayo dito. Yan. Meron dito maraming mga bilihan. Meron din siyang mga, yan, cute stuff. And they also have the Huawei Molly tea. Oh, yung bagong bukas sa LCM HLA, meron din dito.
Parang panunggasan.
So, we ordered this jasmine, green tea, milk tea, and yeah, less sugar, light ice. Sarap. So, dito sa mall, ang dami sila yung ganitong klaseng store na para siyang Miniso na parang KKV. Ang daming buting-ting mabibili mo. Ang daming cute stuff makikita mo. So, mga toys, may hairpins, yan, hair accessories. Tapos, syempre, meron din siya yung mga stocking, sock, hairbrush, water jug, ayan. Ang daming cute din. Pili lang kayo. Dami siyang store dito. Dito sa napasukan namin ngayon sa Fun World, meron kaming nakita ang dalawang ganito, tapos yung isang Miniso. Hindi namin makita yung KKV eh. So, baka walang KKV dito. So, yung Wanda Mall, meron siyang KKV sa namin. Ayun. Meron palang Haidilao dito. So, ito yan. We're here in Xiamen today. We're going to tour here around the area. And ito, check muna tayo Adidas.
We really do. And I'm wondering if this by any sign is that
So, dito tayo sa tinatawag na Zhongshan Lu. So, Zhongshan Road in English. This is a long road, long street for walking, shopping. Nasa area kayo in Xiamen. So, take a stroll around and let's see kung ano makikita sa first time ko lang din kasi dito. May mga free taste dito ng hopya. Let's try what this one. Lasa. Apa? Good ah. Yummy. Bili kayo na to. Masarap to. Nasang jasmine na ulong. Na hopya. One sa famous store. Check natin kung ano laman. Oh. This is like a dessert.
然后再加一个油条，肉包一个，肉包，然后吃一条。
Famous store ng mga classic Chinese food. They also have pastries, hopya, pineapple cake, and many others. Mga dim sum dito na worth 20. So, 20 yen. RMB. 8, 12. Depende kung ano in-order mo. May 5, may 8. This is a taro ball. Here's the sugar cane. Ganda ng casing niya. Sugar cane talaga. Hindi na namin natapos yung at the end of the street. Pero mahaba pa daw to. Kung gusto nyo magstay kayo dito, sabi ng kasama namin, better to stay a night here in Xiamen kung gusto mo malibot tong buong lugar. Kasi punta tayo ngayon sa Xiamen University. So, baka maubusan tayo ng time kasi nag-hire lang kami ng driver. So, lagay ko dito yung anong makikita nyo, yung picture, kung saan makikita nyo na mga stores available inside. So, second stop is Nanputosi. Mali yung binabaan natin kanina is the exit pala. So, 300 meters from that, yung entrance. Let's walk. just beside the temple pinunta natin kanina is the Xiamen University and hindi ko alam kung pwede pumasok. Ay, bawal pumasok daw today. So sabi parang in 3 days time bago pwede pumasok. Here in, I don't know what park. Dinala lang kami dito. Ay, tingnan mo, oh, yung rays of the sun. Ganda. According to Google Maps, this is called Bai Zhou. So, it's a park. And probably yung Bai na word is color white. So, maybe yung bridge. So it's going back home today and now on the way to airport.